Intera is pleased to announce that the SA Field Tool app is available for download to mobile devices from the App Store and Google Play. The SA Field Tool app is a specialized mapping tool with online and offline capabilities for viewing, collecting, and sharing information, including photos, with your teams using Situation Analyst. The SA Field Tool complements and extends the use of your organization's Situation Analyst system as you work in the field to create or use pre-plans, assess structure triage, communicate during an incident in progress, collect damage assessments, and more. Now we'll show you how to get started and how you can use the SA Field Tool right away to report from the field directly to your Situation Analyst system, observations like fire lines and perimeters, damage assessments, any corrections or updates, and then how to use the SA Field Tool offline. Here's Jim.
I'm going to start with clicking on the Situation Analyst icon to open the app. I'll go ahead and log in. I'm going to patiently wait while the data from Situation Analyst is cached to my device. I can see my online signal quality. I can toggle on and off my location, and when I do that, it centers me to the center of the map, and the common zoom in, zoom out features that we have. And I'm going to go ahead and pan to my location. First thing I'm going to do is create a user profile. And this information is important because it's that my name is used to populate the autofill on the collected by fields if I collect information. I also can put in other information that can be shared with other users within Situation Analyst, as well as be able to share my location, which I'm going to turn on. I'm going to hit save, and we're all set to go. First thing I might want to do is change the look and feel of my base map. And I like topo. I'm going to use topo. Zoom in. Now I want to see what's around me and what information I have from Situation Analyst. I'm going to hit tap on View, and I want to see incident information in my area. I tap that, and I can see that somebody in the system has added an incident near me. If I tap the greater than symbol, I can see all of the different types of incident features that I can see if they're in there, and I can also toggle them on and off if I choose not to see them. I can click the down arrow to see basically a legend of what is available. I'm going to go ahead and click on View again and take a look at wildfire pre-plan information for my area, and I can see there's a water source and a predetermined staging area. I now want to zoom in and do some mapping on my incident. So I'm going to click Add, Wildfire, Fire Perimeter, and I'm going to simply tap around the location of the perimeter when I'm happy. I'm going to hit the check mark. I can complete some information about the incident if I like, and hit save, and I've just saved that feature. If I tap on it again, I can either correct information within the fields, or I can tap on the map and pencil and actually adjust the geometry. And so I want to make the fire a little bit bigger. I hit the check mark, and I save, and that information is now saved. I can also delete that feature by hitting the trash can, and that is now gone. I'm going to add a damage assessment for these houses in my area. I'll click Add, Damage, Damage Assessment. There's major damage to this house. And what I really want to collect is the assessment information. It's not habitable, and it's primarily wildfire caused. I can take a picture. Use that photo. Indicates how many photos I've taken. I can save it, and now I have a damage assessment completed. I can also cache base maps if I'm going to be going to an offline area. I can choose an aerial photo, click the download from the cloud button, zoom to my project area I'm going to be working on offline, go into the level of detail that I'd like to see when I'm offline, and hit the check mark and cache that data. If I try to cache too much, it will let me know that and rework the download process. Check mark says it's downloaded. I can see on the aerial photo that there's a orange dot next to aerial, which indicates that that is now downloaded and cached on my device. If I am going to be working offline, sometimes it's good to be able to just force it offline. Sometimes in poor comms, it continues to communicate and it slows down performance, and you're just better to force yourself offline, and it'll work more smoothly. So that's a very quick run through. Go ahead and hit log out so that I'm not transmitting my location to anybody anymore. And there you go.
We hope this introduction helps you get started with the SA Field Tool. If you have questions or comments or just need to find out more about how to use the SA Field Tool, please check out the information at this website, intergroup2.helpdocsonline.com, and leave us a comment or question there. The entire team at Intera says, thanks for using Situation Analyst. We hope it helps you with all you're doing this year.